When do we use make? Level 1. Make music. Let's make music. Let's make music. Make art. Let's make art. Let's make art. Make a phone call. Let's make a phone call. Let's make a phone call. Make a joke. Let's make a joke. Let's make a joke. Make a complaint. Let's make a complaint. Let's make a complaint. Make a comment. Let's make a comment on the video. Let's make a comment on the video. Make an enquiry. Let's make an enquiry. Let's ask a question. Let's make an enquiry. Let's ask a question. Make conversation. Let's make conversation. Let's make conversation. Make small talk. Let's make small talk. Let's make small talk. Make me happy. Let's make others happy. Let's make others happy. Make me sad. Problems make him sad. Problems make him sad. Make me excited. Let's make others excited. Let's make others excited. Make me feel. Looking at the sea makes me feel happy. Looking at the sea makes me feel happy. Make a mistake. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. Make a choice. Let's make a choice. Let's make a choice. Make a decision. Let's make a decision. Let's make a decision. Make plans. Let's make plans for the weekend. Let's make plans for the weekend. Make friends. Let's make friends. Let's make friends. Make up. To say sorry and be friends again. I am sorry. Let's make up. I am sorry. Let's make up. Make money. Let's make money. Let's make money. Make a profit. Let's make a profit. Let's make a profit. Make a fortune. Let's make a fortune. Let's make a lot of money. Let's make a fortune. Let's make a lot of money. Make a payment. Let's make a payment. Let's make a payment. Make breakfast. Let's make breakfast. Let's make breakfast. Make lunch. Let's make lunch. Let's make lunch. Make a cup of tea. Let's make a cup of tea. Let's make a cup of tea. A cup of coffee. Let's make a cup of coffee. Let's make a cup of coffee. Make a smoothie. Let's make a smoothie. Let's make a smoothie. Thanks for watching. If the examples in this video were simple, you can always have a look at level 2. Have a good day. Bye.